Hello guys, how are you doing? Please welcome to Solo Roms, another vlog here in East Africa, another amazing moment, another day, another 1 hour plus or so of this vlog right here. So please welcome. In case you are new, I'm a digital content creator based in East Africa right now, currently. Yeah, I always say currently because maybe in future I presume I may be doing some other amazing stuff, maybe traveling. So please welcome to Solo Rooms. In case you are new, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, be part of this growth with me. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers that always come back to check me out and watch my videos and play my playlist, and even those who share to their colleagues and family and tell them about my channel here, Solo Roms. You guys are family and I love you for that. So please welcome here. It's another day, another moment, another beautiful hour for us to engage and learn as we go. So please welcome to Solo Roms. I'm still back at my village here, Mchebe. Now this one has become my village, yeah, because I have a farm just down there called Solo Valley, yeah, just few meters from here, few minutes walk. I have a farm there, well, which I intend to do some beautiful things there, to transform it to be a farm to grow corns and do some other things, amazing stuff. Right now as we speak, I have a nursery there that I've done like the day before yesterday. Yeah, I've done a nursery for kales, so I'm going there to check on them. Yeah, so and we are grateful that yesterday we did manage to get some few drizzle here and there from the clouds and God, so at least he had our prayers. So please welcome as I take you around and show you how the things are here. Yes, consider subscribing, tell me where you're watching from, and I'll appreciate you guys for that. Let's engage on the comment section. Yes, so this is Mchebe, and today we are having signs that it will be raining anytime from now. You can see the cloud there. Yeah, clouds are giving hope, giving us hope, and I'm very happy and appreciate that, because when it rains properly, then we be getting down to business. Yes. So tell me in the comment section, what do you think? Please go through my videos. I've done a couple of them ever since I started this channel. There are plenty of videos there. Go check them out, comment and like them. Tell me what do you think about them. You can suggest anything there. I read it, I respond, and if it is good thing, I will work towards it. Yeah, so I'm here, as I say, we are growing together, we are learning together. Yeah, because life is a learning process. Life is our learning process or journey. Yeah. So guys, we are just walking now. We are heading to Solo Valley. I want to show you how things are there. While I'm here, I can see the nursery. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. Yeah, because it's just down there. It is just down there, and it's so windy. Now the weather now is quite cool. Some days back it was very hot, yeah, but now it is cooler. Some wind here. I just love it. I love it that way. And this rain may caught up with me, but anyway, I'll appreciate, because rain is what I've been praying for, and you guys have been with me praying for it. I appreciate you guys for the support. That's one way of showing support. That is one way of showing support. So guys, please welcome to Solo Valley. This is the farm I'm talking of. It goes all the way to the other far end there. and stretches down there. Yeah, then we go down here. I want to show you. So let's keep engaging on the comment section, guys. Tell me, what do you think about this land for those who are new? Yeah, I intend to do some plantation here once the rain is here. I really intend to do it. Oh. Marafiki, habari? Mnachora? Ukamwagilia? Jana? Oh, pia leo ulimwagilia. Hiyo ni poa. Ulimwagilia mitungi ngapi? Habari? 3. Mnabeba maji? Habari? Maji mnapeleka wapi sasa? Ya kuoga. Amuongoje mvua, muoge na mvua. Kwa nini? Mko na damu mbaya. Oh, so ulimwagilia. Hiyo kazi mzuri. Okay. Energy. Wacha nakuja, napita hapo. Si wala ni wadanganye. Alafu watu walisema muongee Kizungu wajue. Mnajua Kizungu? Ninajua. Unajua, ongea Kizungu tusikie. Unaogopa nini? Sawa, ndapita. Kwa nini? Walisema hivi, muongee. Wenye wako hapa wanaangalia. Hawaelewi chenye mnasema ukiongea Kiswahili. Okay. Okay, sawa, ndapita basi. Oh guys, look. Having good friendship with the guys, people here is very good. Actually, the girls told me yesterday they poured water, or they irrigated the nursery, and today morning they did so without even me telling them. You see, that is a good thing. I really appreciate their support. Meaning even when I'm not around, they can take care of it. Yeah. So these guys, for those who are new, yesterday, the day after yesterday, the day before yesterday, Kibe and I, we came here, we planted some kales, and the rain is there. Hey, this one. Today I'll dance to the tune. So yes, the day before yesterday, we came here, planted some kales. Then yesterday I came and did all the roofing of it, and I watered. So today the girls came in the morning and irrigated it. So that is very nice, very nice. Actually, I'm very happy for that. Yeah, I know pretty soon they will be coming out, they will be sprouting out pretty soon. Yes. So that is kales. I was told that once they grow, they may cover a measurable size of this part of the land on this other part. So I can't wait and see how that goes, because initially when I was planting them, I was thinking back in my mind, I'll be using them for my own use. I thought they will not be that plenty, but I was informed I can even be selling it to locals over here, which is a good thing. Yeah. So that one is a very nice thing. So the ladies told me they carry water. They came here to fetch water for bathing. This is where I've been fetching the water. Also for me, oh, there's someone bathing there. Also for me to come and irrigate my kales. Listen to that. That is a sign of rain. A lot of wind, meaning rain is coming. I can even smell it. You know, there is that smell of rain when it is raining. Actually, that one you have it when the land has been so dry, and then all of a sudden the rain comes. You can feel or you can smell the smell of rain. Yeah, I can smell it. That is a good thing. So maybe today it may pour very nicely. It may pour. And once these bananas grow and they become big, like the one you see ahead of us, here it will be like a small forest of banana land. It will be a banana land. I'm trying to remove some blackjacks. Yes. So I'm very happy that I got people who can assist me whenever, if I'm not around. Yeah, they can assist me in doing my things here, and they didn't ask for anything at all. Yeah, that is nice. And here we are having some avocados. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I came to check on the land and see how it looks like. Yesterday there was some drizzling, a light rain, let me say, not drizzle. There were light rain that came yesterday, and I just came to see and look at my nursery, how it is doing. It is in a very good shape, as you can see over there. Sometimes when I stand here, I always think that to myself, and thank God for what He's done for me. Because some few months, if you will come to me and ask me if I'll be owning such, maybe I would say no. Yeah, because actually I came in this village, Nyabohanse. I came, let's say when. Now we are in August. I came late March. Yeah, and things are happening in a way that I just can't explain. Actually, I'm very happy, and I just thank God and you guys for standing with me all through my journey. You know, even I have some challenges here and there, yes, but whenever I remember that I have you guys and God, I just smile and say, I will wake up and do the same thing. I'll keep pushing over and over again. Yeah, that's why even when my other channel had issues with monetization, it was very easy for me to open this one, because I knew I have you guys. You have my back, and I just thank God for having people like you. You know, people like you around me. Yeah, I can't say that it is my power that you guys choose to watch me whenever I post. No, it's not my power. It is actually God's power and favor. Yeah, and also you guys sacrificing your time, sacrificing your everything. And they say time is one of the greatest thing that a person may give it to you, lent. Yeah, time is everything. Yeah, to do anything you need time. Yeah, every seconds matter, but you guys, you give me almost an hour or almost of your time, of which it's very much huge sacrifice. That's why, guys, I salute you, and I'm always there to engage with you because I appreciate whatever you do to me. Yeah, giving me your ears, your eyes for about an hour, listening to me, checking me, everything what I'm doing right here. I just want to say thank you to you guys. I want to say thank you to you guys for all that. I really don't take it for granted. I really don't take it for granted at all. I really treasure you, and I always appreciate you as we grow together. Thank you so much, guys, for that. Thank you so much. Yeah. So here's our nursery. The rain is here. There are some drizzling now, you see. This is a good sign. So for me, I should be going back. I don't know if I'll make it before it starts to pour. So I'm happy that now the nursery will be rained on. Wow. Yes, guys. Let me first take a thumbnail, then we continue. Sometimes it's funny how I forget about thumbnails, but it is one of the most important things for creators. But now I'm learning. Yeah, I have to take thumbnails each and every time. Whenever I'm vlogging, I have to make sure I create time for thumbnail. Let me take a thumbnail. Maybe I should take it here. Yeah, we'll continue. Yes, done with thumbnail now. I'm very happy that the rain is coming, guys. The rain is coming. Oh. God is good, and that means we can now, from tomorrow, we can now start talking of planting. If it rains well, we can start talking about it. Yeah, and we have everything right here. Yeah. Yeah, and your suggestion is the suggestion box. It is open. You can advise me in any way. What do you think I can plant here and do better? Tell me in the comment section. And as you suggest, remember that I'm doing the farming for commercial purposes, mainly for commercial purposes. It's not for my own use, so you can advise me accordingly. Yeah. And for those who have been a farmer, you can also advise me on one or two things. Yes. So guys, this is Solo Valley. It looks like this. Just waiting for proper rain. Then we see how things will work out at the end of it all. Yes, and I'm glad. These clouds, we call them nimbus, the ones that provide rain, right? I think so. We call them nimbus. And I love the village. It looks so beautiful, I'm telling you. Very beautiful. A beautiful village right here. Very beautiful village. I love it. Yeah, as I was saying, so I came here at around March, and now few months later I can see things are working out in a different way, in a way that, of course, let me say, I didn't expect. I was praying for it. I was praying that one day maybe such a things may happen, and the thing that is surprising me, they are happening too quick. Yeah, they say God acts in a mysterious way, so it is too quick, but I love it that way. It shows that maybe in future I'll be having even more blessings. Yeah. And I know some things come to test if you can really handle them. And that's why I'm working very hard to ensure that I handle the situations, the blessing that I have in a very nice way, that I don't just sleep on the opportunity, you know. I don't sleep on the opportunity, rather I work towards it and to actualize it and see the final goal. Yeah, I give it my level of best. Yes. So I was manifesting. You pray, yeah, and you believe. They say the energy that you put out is the same energy that you'll get. That's why I'm always trying so hard to always have a positive energy, yeah, and avoid all that chaos that may bring some other type of bad energies around me. And I know you guys, you are like me. You are good family to me, for always being here with me and following the journey. Yeah, and I know you wish nothing but the best for me in this land. Nothing but the best. There are some kids over there coming from the river. They are whistling, shouting. They are free. They are just living life. Yeah. So I think I should be going. I don't know if you can hear the thunderstorms. And I was advised, when it is raining and there are thunderstorms, I don't seek shelter under a tree. Yeah. So that one I was advised, and I take it with a lot of caution. I take the advice, and I don't want to joke about it. Yes, guys. So maybe I can go to seek shelter over there at my landlady's place, and then see how things will work out from there. But all in all, we just want to say thank you to the Lord for the blessing. I don't know if I should seek shelter or just go straight home, because I may seek shelter on this one and the rain rains heavily for the longest. I really don't know. Now problem is, I may decide to go home right now, and then there is no motorbike. There's no motorbike over there. Now that I will be in a total fix. I'll be fixed. Look at that. And I'm so happy that I planned the kales just in time that I will not be forced to be watering every now and then because the rain is here already. Yeah, so I'm just glad and very happy and thankful. Oh, the rain is increasing now. Oh, it is coming over there. Too much. Too much. This one, I have to seek shelter before I proceed. Otherwise, I will be trapped. Saseni, umeniongoja huko? Ajificha wapi mvua huko ndani? Oh. Ah. Okay, let me stand here for a moment. Nakuja. Ataka hapa tu. Oh, they're inviting me in, but I'm saying I will just stand here so that when the rain stops or reduces, I will head back. I will go home immediately. I just want to say thank you to God for this blessing. Yeah. This is what we were praying for, you know. This is what we are praying for. Oh wow. Such a happy soul right now, right here. Very happy, very happy. I'm telling you. I think I should go inside. It is cold out here. I think I should go. Let me go. I'll talk to you when the rain reduces, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Yeah. Alright guys, the rain has at least reduced, but I know it will be coming back. For me, I just want to dash out and run before it comes back. Yeah, I'm glad it has rained a lot, you see. It has rained, you can see even here. You see, there's water in the ditch. So I'm happy, I'm just thanking God for that. So now for me, I just want to hurry up and get back home. You can hear the thunderstorms here and there. And I'm saying thank you to Almighty for the blessings. I think tomorrow we may start doing something. What do you think? Tell me in the comment section. Yeah, tomorrow I may start doing something, yeah, on the farm. Today has been a total blessing. Yes, and I'm very happy about that. Listen to the thunderstorms over there. Yeah, so I had to immediately it had stopped. I had to come and start going, because I know if I stay there a little bit, it will come back, and that one, it may go up to 7 p.m. and that is very bad. So I have to risk and go. But where I get the motorbike, I love to board one to avoid being rained on, you know. You can see there is a small stream over here now forming, meaning it has rained quite good. It has rained quite good. Yes guys, I'm very happy, very happy. I don't know how best to express it, but I'm very happy and thankful that at least our prayers have been heard, and I think the rain is here. The rain is here with us, so we'll see how to maneuver from here now. We'll see how to maneuver. You see, I told you when it is raining, it's very hard for me to get a motorbike, because even them, they are seeking shelter. Yeah, so it was a good idea that I didn't just force things. By now I'll be soaking wet from the rain. So for those who are joining the premiere, I'm coming from my farm, Solo Valley, over there, of which now I'm very happy and pleased that it has rained. It has rained something good. The rain was good, and it is still coming back. You can hear the thunderstorms over there. Yeah, it's still coming back. Yeah, that is good news. Everybody is happy. Everybody. So now for me, I'll go this way, hoping that I can see a motorbike, because walking from here to Nyabohansi, it may take me like 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes walk or more. Yeah, let's say maximum 20. Oh, there's one over there. I don't know if it's going this way or going my way. Let's see. Let's see. I was coming this way. Niaje? Nyabo? Tako ngapi?
Babu.
Eh.